Here we are. That waterfall is glacier fed from the Himalayas. I've been wanting to drink water straight from the river and streams, but they're all dirty and polluted with like cow poop and stuff. But now is my chance to drink. I'm not gonna do it from the tube, I'm gonna do it from the rocks because I want it raw. Raw in the way nature intended it. Okay. Well, I don't want to get you wet, but you're probably going to end up getting wet. You know what? I'll drink from here. And then I'll go, and I'll go drink later. That's good. Oh. Good. That tastes amazing. So pure. So pure. Look at that. What a beautiful waterfall. Oh, it's so pretty. Always good time drinking glacier water straight from the source. Arjun, your thoughts?
Always a good time.